Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. It is so good to see you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm doing something I'm calling Instagram Made Me Do It. Instagram made me do it. And if you're up for it, let's get started. Guys, I've been scrolling through Instagram, every day because I started an Instagram page account, I don't know, a couple of months ago. So I've been posting out there a lot, but now I'm scrolling through and I came across this one site, and I'll try to include it if I can, but it was a picture of a garment rack, and it had like white clothes on it and some kind of white shoes and a plant on the side and all of that. And it just gave me such an idea. It was such an inspiration for this corner of my office that's like just blank. And I dragged my rolling garment rack over to this side, and I want to try to see if I can use that inspiration page from Instagram and come up with my own little corner site. And so I'm gonna find some stuff in my bedroom, shoes and some other clothes, and see if I can do it like Instagram. So that's why I'm calling it Instagram Made Me Do It. So if you're up for it, come on guys, help me out. I'm gonna put this thing together and do it while you're watching. So sit tight. So my rolling garment cart is, usually I have stuff on here for Poshmark, but I've been able to consolidate a lot of my Poshmark stuff, so this is empty now. So let me go find some of the clothing that I'm looking for. Okay, I found a couple sweaters. So I'm going for like a beige, white kind of background. So the Instagram picture had it was all white. I'm going for like a beige, white, tan color. So I found these in my closet. All right, a couple more pieces. Found this Ralph Lauren blouse. I haven't even worn this yet. Tags are still on it. It's got to be 2-3 years old. No, maybe 3 years at least, because I haven't worked since 2018. So it's got to be like 3 years old. But still has tags on it. All right, a few more pieces. Little Neiman Marcus silk suit and a little sweater, my lambskin. There you go. White wool pants that I haven't worn in God knows how long, but I thought they would go nicely. So this is what I'm working with so far. All right, let me get some shoes. So I've got shoes, 3 pairs of shoes, so beige, tan, another pair of beige, pumps, slingbacks, and a pair of lower, these shoes have like a lower heel. And I've got a lot of beige and tan clothing here. Let me finish it up and I'll come back and show you how I'm going to finish this off. Oh, you see the wires from my TV in there. See if I can camouflage those a little bit. Wicker basket, recently thrifted. I'm gonna put that here. This is a plant that I picked up recently from, I think, Lowe's or Home Depot. Boy, it's hitting me in the head. But I needed something that was low maintenance. So this is what I came up with. It's a palm. It said it was low maintenance, so we'll see. This is what Instagram made me do. Let me get some final shots and I'll take you and let you see exactly what it looks like. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam at Life on Greenwood. I'm going to put some still shots of this. I think it'll be a lot better at the end. But thank you guys for checking out what Instagram made me do. I'm so glad I did it though. At least that corner has some life. I'm gonna put some still shots in now so you can get the full breadth of it. Thank you guys. And I'll see you in the next one.